That's incredible.
So you don't have to come to Buffalo,
the
even
patient,
though we'd love to have you here.
when you first give them the mirror after you're done, it's got to be just a priceless moment.
Yeah, they love it, and they come back, you know, a few days later, and they can't believe they were able to eat apples and corn on the cob and whatever they want to eat. And, you know, it's gratifying for me because a lot of times my patients, the best feeling I have is when a patient comes in and gives me a hug and thanks me.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm going to read some of this letter. I surprised Dr. Shatkin this morning, and I'm just going to say Nick because I didn't ask Nick if I could read his whole letter, so I won't give Nick's last name. But a gentleman by the name of Nick had called after one of Doctor's segments, and he wrote to me, "Dear Linda, on your wonderful advice, I visited Dr. Shatkin's office. During my time there, Dr. Diane Witzak,
yes,
your associate, found I had a very bad tooth. Because of my trust in you, I'm having an implant, which I refused to do for 7 years." And he says, and I wrote him back, but he says, thank you ever so much, Nick. I mean, you got to love that.
Yeah, and you know, he hasn't had the procedure done yet. Wait till he has it done, then he's really going to be happy.
Yeah, but I mean, there's a person who's kind of afraid, and we talk about people all the time who they don't have the work done because you're afraid, and you've had a fear of the dentist and anybody getting close to your mouth for years. Believe me, these folks can help you overcome that and get you the smile you've always wanted.
Well, the great thing about it is technology is here now, and we can do these mini implants in a half an hour or an hour and replace missing teeth or stabilize a loose denture like we did here.
That's what this person has. No teeth now on the bottom.
No teeth on the bottom. We put 4 mini implants in, and we were able to stabilize that loose denture in less than an hour, and the patient can go home with the dentures that day, snapped on their implants. Used to take 6 months to a year to do this, and we can do it in less than an hour now.
And the security of knowing those teeth aren't going to move, they're not going to make any noise.
And we've been doing this now for 7 or 8 years. We were the first ones really doing these in the area. And I placed 8,000 mini implants now.
That's amazing.
And had 98% success. Now, occasionally something doesn't work out perfectly, but with the mini implants, if they lose an implant, it's very easy to take it out and replace it. So even if they do have a problem, it's not a major problem. It's not like major surgery.
Yeah, don't go through life thinking that I'm never going to be able to have this corrected. These folks can work with you. They can work with your insurance. They can help you, I think, with loans. They can help pay for this. By all means. And it's important, parents and grandparents, if you're out there too, not to go through life with missing teeth, because you know what? Your kids and your grandkids they're their role model. And if you're taking care of your teeth and you show them that, look, it's important for you to have this great smile, it's going to continue to be important for them, because now, for what we know, taking care of your teeth, if you don't, it can lead to some heart damage. There's an awful lot of other things that you learn that can happen if you don't take care of your teeth. So oral health, dental health is extremely important, and it's extremely important for people of any age.
Absolutely, and you know, you can take it from Mike Robitaille, because he's a satisfied patient of mine, and we took care of his teeth, and we can take care of yours too.
Oh, you sure do a great job. All right, everybody, whether you're watching here in Buffalo or somewhere else, there's a dentist near you who knows of this procedure, this patented procedure. But if you are here, you can go right to the guy who invented it, Dr. Todd Shatkin at the Aesthetic Associates. Now, they're very conveniently located at 2500 Kensington Avenue in Amherst. Give them a call right now. Is your staff in today?
Absolutely.
They're working Columbus Day, right? 839-1700. That's 839-1700.
And we do offer that 18 months no interest financing if they're interested.
There you go, and that will help a lot of people. So give them a call today. Hey, this preceding segment and images used brought to you by the Aesthetic Associates Center.